Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about some amazing trace ideas that you can use to create a beautiful outdoor space. Traces are a great way to make the most of your outdoor area and add some extra living space to your home. So let's jump right into it. Number 1, vertical garden. One of the best way to make your terrace look beautiful is to create a vertical garden. This not only looks amazing, but it also adds some much needed greenery to your outdoor space. You can use a variety of plants, including herbs, flowers, and succulents to create a unique and colorful space. Number 2, outdoor dining area. If you love to entertain, then creating an outdoor dining area on your terrace is a must. A beautiful table, some comfortable chairs, and a few decorative touches can turn your terrace into a perfect place to host dinner parties and enjoy meals with family and friends. Number 3, lounge area. If you are looking for a space to relax and unwind, lounge area on your terrace is a great idea. You can add some comfortable seating, a few plants, and some soft lighting to create a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. This is perfect for those lazy Sunday afternoons when you just want to kick back and read a book. Number 4, outdoor kitchen. If you love to cook, then why not create an outdoor kitchen on your terrace? You can install a grill, a snack, and a small fridge to create a fully functional kitchen that's perfect for outdoor cooking and entertaining. This is a great way to get some fresh air and enjoy the beautiful weather while cooking up a strong. Number 5, mini pool. If you have enough space on your terrace, then installing a mini pool is a great idea. This is perfect for those hot summer days when you want to cool off and relax. You can add some comfortable seating, some beautiful plants, and some soft lighting to create a beautiful and relaxing outdoor oasis. Number 6, outdoor movie theater. If you are a movie buff, then creating an outdoor movie theater on your terrace is a great idea. You can install a projector and a screen, some comfortable seating, and can decorative lights to create a unique and fun entertainment space. This is perfect for those warm summer nights when you want to enjoy a movie under the stars. Number 7, meditation space. If you are looking for a space to unwind and practice meditation, then creating a meditation space on your terrace is a great idea. You can add some comfortable seating, some climbing plants, and some soft lighting to create a peaceful and relaxing environment. This is perfect for those who want to practice mindfulness and relaxation. Number 8, hammock heaven. If you are looking for a cozy and relaxing space, hammock heaven on your terrace is a great idea. You can install a few hammocks, some comfortable pillows, and some decorative lights to create a cozy and relaxing atmosphere. This is perfect for those lazy afternoons when you just want to lie down and take a nap. Number 9, play area. If you have children, then creating a play area on your terrace is a great idea. You can install some play equipment such as a small slide or a swing and add some comfortable seating for the adults. This is perfect for those times when you want to keep an eye on your kids while enjoying the outdoors. Number 10. Herbs Garden. If you love to cook, then creating an herb garden on your terrace is a great idea. You can use raised planters to grow a variety of herbs such as basil, rosemary, and thyme, and add some decorative elements to create a beautiful and functional outdoor kitchen. This is perfect for those who love to cook with fresh ingredients. So, those are 10 ideas for your terrace. Whether you want to create an outdoor movie theater, a meditation space, a hammock heaven, a play area, or an herb garden, there are plenty of options to choose from. With a little bit of creativity and effort, you can transform your terrace into a beautiful and functional outdoor space. Thanks for watching.